Hi guys, now I'm here today to just tell you how you can get the email address of different companies, or sometimes you can also get the CEO's email address of that company, or the founder, or you can also get the president, right, of those what you call this president of the company, right? To do that, I have this website here that I created. In this website, for instance, I'm going to get this what you call this email or website. Let's say this. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm going to copy this, right? And then I'm going to go here. Okay, it detected the company. And if you're going to choose that company, it's going to give us the prospect. Okay, here's the owner, and it's also going to give us the email of that prospect. Okay, it's easy. You don't have to there's no subscription in here. It's free to use, although there's a catch. There's always a catch in any kind of software. And this one, I'll let you know once you contact me. Okay. I'm going to call. I'll give you another one. I'm going to copy this. Going to go here again. Okay, it detected the company. And as you can see, there's no prospect, but it gives us the email address of whoever it is. It's probably the owner, CEO, because those are the only metrics in here: the CEO, owners, and founders. Okay. And let's try another one. If we can get another one. Okay. Okay, detected again. Okay, as you can see, there's none. And we keep on moving. Let's say this one. Okay, detected the company. Alright, it detected the 3 prospect, and the office manager, the project manager. Okay, and their email address, their possible email address, but these are legit email addresses. Okay, thank you very much.